Be reunited with me.
What would you do if you slept and woke up to realize that your favorite superhero is gone? How would you react? What would you say? The answer to this question became known to many after the death of Chadwick Boseman, popularly known as King T'Challa, in the highly celebrated first black superhero movie Black Panther was announced.
In my culture, death is not the end.
The news of Chadwick Boseman's death came as a rude shock, and revelation of the cause of death further grounded the thoughts of many, as it was not at any point made public that Chadwick was battling cancer.
Wakanda forever!
According to the family, in a statement posted on his Twitter page, Chadwick was diagnosed with stage 3 colon cancer 4 years ago and has since then underwent several surgeries and chemotherapy, even while he filmed some of the most celebrated movies, including Black Panther. Chadwick Aaron Boseman is an American actor. He was born in November 29, 1976 in Anderson, South Carolina, United States of America. His mother was a nurse and his father worked at a textile factory, managing an upholstery business as well. According to Boseman, DNA testing indicated that some of his ancestors were Creole people from Sierra Leone, Yoruba people from Nigeria, and Limba people from Sierra Leone. He is married to Taylor Simeon Ledward. He attended Howard University, where he studied fine arts. Afterwards, he attended the program of the British American Drama Academy in London, and also graduated from the New York City's Digital Film Academy before he began his career in acting, directing, playwriting, and teaching in New York City.
Howard's legacy is not wrapped up in the money that you will make, but the challenges that you choose to confront. As you commence to your past, press on with pride and press on with purpose. God bless you. I love you, Howard. Howard forever.
Boseman got his first television role in 2003 in an episode of The Third Watch. His first film is The Express, the Ernie Davis story, where he starred as Floyd Little in 2008. Also, he featured in The Kill All in 2012, where he starred as Lieutenant Samuel Drake, and in 42, where he starred as Jackie Robinson in 2013. He also featured in Daft's Day in 2014, and in the same year, he also featured in the movie Also Get Up. In 2016, he featured in Gods of Egypt, and bringing him into limelight was the movie Captain America, where he starred as T'Challa or Black Panther. In 2006, he also starred in the movie Message from the King. In 2017, he starred in Marshall, the award-winning Black Panther in 2018.
The Black Panther has been the protector of Wakanda for generations.
Avengers Infinity War also in the same 2018, Avengers Endgame in 2019, 21 Bridges in 2019, and the last movie to be released before his demise is the movie The Five Blood in 2020.
Wakanda forever!
Undoubtedly, the movie that brought Boseman into limelight is Captain America, and it was followed by the award-winning Black Panther, which also brought the legend into fame. Black Panther is said to be the first movie to give Marvel Studios its first 3 Oscar awards in a row. In the movie, he is portrayed as a black superhero and a true king of a nation who wore the crown of courage and dignity. This is a symbol of hope to black people, as it changed the narrative of the black race, portraying them as strong, bold, and fearless. He received an honorary degree of Doctor of Humane Letters from his alma mater, Howard University, where he also gave one of the most emotional and inspiring speeches to the graduating class of the university. Boseman is loved for his strong religious beliefs in Christ and is very concerned about living a life of purpose. Since the news of his death, many actors, directors, world leaders, and fans across the world have penned down emotional messages to celebrate his life and works. Some of the personalities who penned a note for Chadwick include Captain American actor Chris Evans, who called Boseman a true original, and also said he was a deeply committed and constantly curious artist. He also said he had so much amazing work left to create.
It's fun to watch just what it means to people. At times, in my head, I'll be like, well, what does this do for the world? Like, actually, what is it? You know, is it actually valuable in this climate? And I have to say, yes, it actually is. Not because it makes people escape. I think when done right, it gives people hope.
The Democratic presidential nominee Joe Biden also tweeted that Boseman inspired generations and showed them that it can be anything they want, even superheroes. Boseman Marvel co-star Mark Ruffalo tweeted, "Brother, you were one of the all-time greats and your greatness was only beginning. Lord love ya. Rest in power, King."
I found that it means a lot.
Here's the pitch.
With over 7 million likes and 3 million retweets, the tweet that announced the passing of Chadwick on Twitter has become the most liked and retweeted tweet on Twitter, surpassing the previous record holder, former President Barack Obama's tweet following the Charlottesville car attack. Fans, while reminiscing on his life and values, have also reiterated the need to always be kind following the cyberbullying and trolls Chadwick had to endure for his degenerated look and weight loss while secretly battling cancer.
Have shown that the African American community has been hit the hardest. Latino community has been hit the hardest.
Apart from gathering around the world to stream Black Panther again in memory of late Chadwick, fans have also promised to strongly support Chadwick's yet-to-be-released movie, Rainey's Black Bottom.
Black Panther himself, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Chadwick Boseman.
The movie, which features Chadwick Boseman and Viola Davis as leads, was produced by Denzel Washington, a legendary actor and director, for his works and his kind gestures of paying his tuition fee while he couldn't afford it. He had an immeasurable impact on young people, and it is a legacy such as the one he left that should inspire young people to become the best they can be, bringing hope to the rejected, forgotten, and even the lost. It reminded us that death is not the end, but more of a stepping point.
In my culture, death is not the end.
Indeed, it left behind night of terror and fear, and has risen into a daybreak that is wondrously clear. With our arms spread across our heavy hearts, we say, Wakanda forever. Rest on Chadwick Boseman, rest on living legend.
The end.
Keep watching Plug TV. Bless up.